Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix TikTok app crashing, which means if you click on TikTok and after some time it automatically back because of crashing, then I will tell you how you can fix that problem. To fix that problem, what you have to do is you have to restart your device and turn it on again so that this problem can be solved. For the second solution, what you have to do is you have to check whether your internet connection is working properly or not, which means if you are connected to Wi-Fi, then you can check your Wi-Fi is connected or not, and you can also restart your router so that it can work properly. Moreover, if you are connected to mobile data connection, you can also check that. After that, you have to turn on flight mode and you have to turn it on so that your internet connection can be restarted. After doing so, what you have to do is next is you have to click on settings. In setting, you have to go to apps or application manager. After opening apps or application manager, what you have to do is you have to scroll down and you have to search for the TikTok. Here you have to check whether your mobile data connection has allowed background data usage or not. If it is turned off, then you have to turn it on. Or you can also click on storage and you have to clear the cache and clear the data of your TikTok so that this problem can be solved. After that, you can check whether the problem has solved or not. If the problem is still there, what you have to do is you have to check whether your TikTok app is updated or not. If it is not updated, then you have to click on update and you have to update your TikTok app. Many problems are solved by the updated version of the TikTok. If the problem is still there, then you have to wait for another version of the TikTok because many bugs are solved by the updated version of the TikTok. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.